Hello students, as you know that I have discussed many topics, topic number up to 4 related with periodic table. Today I am going to deliver lecture number 3. In this lecture we will see modern periodic table, modern periodic law, modern periodic table, long form of periodic table, characteristics of long form of periodic table, etc. So first of all, modern periodic law. This law was given by Moseley in 1913. According to this law, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic numbers. Means the properties of elements depends upon atomic number. The properties of elements depends upon atomic number. After that, long form of periodic table. Periodic table based on atomic number or modern periodic law is called long form of periodic table. So students, periodic table that is based upon the modern periodic law given by Moseley or atomic number, the basic of modern periodic law is known as long form of periodic table. After that, characteristic of long form of periodic table. It consists of horizontal rows called periods and vertical columns called groups. About periods. The long form of periodic table consists of total 7 periods. So there are total 7 periods in long form of periodic table. And these are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 periods from 1 to 7. The first, second and third periods contain 2, 8 and 8 elements respectively and are termed as short period. In some cases, first period very short and second, third short. The fourth and fifth, sixth period contains 18, 18 and 32 elements respectively and are termed as long period. The seventh period is incomplete and contains approx 25 elements. About groups. The periodic table contains a total of 18 groups. These groups are numbered as 1 to 18. Topic number 7. Long form of periodic table and electronic configuration of elements. Since the long form of periodic table is based upon the atomic number, there is a close connection between the long form of periodic table and the electronic configuration of elements. The number of a period characterizes the principal cell, means during electronic configuration the quantum number or the principal shell gives the period number. The total number of elements present in a particular period is the same as the number of electrons that can be accommodated in the orbitals belonging to the principal cell. So students, the total number of elements is equal to the total number of electrons present in the orbitals of that particular cell. Topic 8. Division of periodic table into S, P, D and F block. Students, we can divide whole periodic table into S, P, D and F block. S block elements in which last electron enters into S orbital are called S block elements. P block elements in which last electron enters into P block are called P block elements. Elements in which last electron enters into d orbital are called d block elements, and elements in which last electron enters into f block elements are called f block elements. Okay, thank you.